Fast branding does not equal financial safety. ExpressCartTrading.com presents itself as an online broker or investment platform, promising access to global markets and potentially offering CFD trading opportunities. The website uses confident language, references to advanced trading tools, and claims of professional support designed to attract investors seeking quick entry into financial markets. However, in the world of finance, credibility is determined by verified regulation and transparent corporate structure, not by persuasive marketing. The project operating under the domain expresscarttrading.com appears to function as a broker or investment intermediary. It may promote trading in forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, indices, or other leveraged instruments. Such offerings are common in the industry, but what truly matters is whether the company is legally authorized to provide financial services. Searches conducted through official regulatory databases, including the Financial Conduct Authority at register.fca.org.uk, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission at casec.gov.cy, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission at connectonline.asic.gov.au, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission at sec.gov, and FINRA BrokerCheck at brokercheck.finra.org do not clearly confirm a licensed entity directly associated with expresscarttrading.com. Verification through official regulatory registers does not confirm the presence of a license. In the brokerage industry, this absence of confirmed oversight is a serious warning sign and may indicate an unlicensed broker. A properly regulated broker must comply with strict requirements. These typically include segregation of client funds from company funds, maintenance of minimum capital reserves, regular reporting to supervisory authorities, and participation in investor compensation schemes where applicable. An unlicensed broker is not required to follow these standards. If disputes arise, including withdrawal issues, clients may have no effective authority to turn to. This significantly increases financial risk. If expresscarttrading.com offers CFD trading or high-leverage products, the risk profile becomes even more concerning. CFDs are complex derivative instruments that allow traders to speculate on price movements without owning the underlying assets. Leverage amplifies both gains and losses. In regulated jurisdictions, leverage for retail clients is restricted to protect investors. When high leverage is offered by an unlicensed broker, losses can escalate rapidly. In many CFD models, the broker may act as the counterparty to client trades, creating a structural conflict of interest that remains unchecked without regulatory supervision. Corporate transparency is another decisive factor. A legitimate investment company clearly discloses its registered legal entity, company number, and a verifiable physical address. It provides comprehensive terms and conditions, risk disclosures, and client agreements. If expresscarttrading.com does not independently independently verifiable corporate details, investors are effectively transferring funds to an unidentified operator. This level of opacity is commonly observed in investment scam structures. Technical aspects can also raise concern. Many high-risk platforms rely on recently registered domains, privacy-protected OIS information, and template-based website designs. While domain privacy itself is not illegal, financial institutions handling client capital are expected to operate with maximum transparency. A short domain history combined with the absence of confirmed regulation increases the overall risk assessment. Common red flags associated with potentially fraudulent brokers may include lack of confirmed licensing, absence of a recognized regulator, limited corporate transparency, no clear investor protection mechanisms, exposure to high-risk leveraged CFDs, and possible withdrawal issues in case of disputes. When these elements appear together, investors should approach with extreme caution. To avoid similar fraud risks, investors should always verify a broker directly through official regulatory databases, use the exact legal entity name and confirm it in the FCA, CISEC, ASIC, SEC, or FINRA registers. Never rely solely on logos, certificates, or claims displayed on a website without independent confirmation. Be wary of guaranteed returns, promises of quick profits, or aggressive managers urging immediate deposits. Legitimate brokers do not guarantee profits and do not pressure clients into rushed financial decisions. Generic website design, unclear ownership, and vague legal disclosures are strong warning signs. In conclusion, expresscarttrading.com cannot be considered a clearly regulated or legally verified broker based on publicly available information. The absence of confirmed licensing, combined with potential high-risk trading features and limited transparency, creates a high-risk environment for investors. Our experts recommend refraining from any financial interaction with this project. In financial markets, regulation is the foundation of trust and investor protection. Without it, the risk of scam, fraud, and unresolved withdrawal issues increases substantially. Speed in branding means nothing without accountability in law.